Do you want to actually earn free Toncoin? This I literally give you free Ton token every hour. No investment, no stress. So don't skip free tokens. All you have to do is just to visit Ton Pick Game. Solve some recap chat and boom, Ton drops into your wallet. Alright? And you can do this every hour to stack it up. Play their Helio Dice game. This is probably fair. Plus, if you complete some simple surveys, you aim more points. Also, refer your friends to earn 50% of their daily claims for life. That's passive Toncoin every single day without doing nothing. Try this website out and let me know. Links of this particular website is going to be provided for you in the description of this video. Click on it right now and start making money. Right over here is the website that I basically use to make free Toncoin. Alright, I have been able to earn over 1.6 Toncoin right from here, 100% free. I've not made any deposit on my account. If you go over to deposit, alright, and you scroll down, you will notice that there has not been any transaction on my account so far. Now, I'm going to share with you guys the easiest and the most reliable thing that I did on my account that was able to help me to make this amount of Toncoin. Alright, first things first, I normally come over here to claim, and I normally get to receive based on the amount of Toncoin that I'm currently at. So I'm currently on the iron level. When I made a video about this particular platform, which means I was earning this amount of Toncoin every hour, but right now I'm on the iron level and I earn this amount of Toncoin every hour. So I'll come here and I'll click on the claim and I will receive this amount of Toncoin into the balance again. So in the next 1 hour, I'll still be able to come back and claim. Then the next thing that I did was to play games. All right, so there are games like the dice games, which I basically get to play. Sometimes I come over here, I get to like impute how much I basically want to play. So I maximize every single thing that I have on my account, and I use it to play. All right, so the important thing is that you have to keep your losses hidden and then click on it, and once you land right here, it gets to increase your balance for you. I play these games just once every 1 hour. I don't play it twice, I don't play it 3 times. I play it once every 1 hour. So after playing this one right now, just make sure you drag this from here to the ending and make sure to cover the red side. So make sure to cover the red side. Now, there are reasons for me to tell you to cover the red sides, all right? And let me cancel this balance first, all right? If you check very well, if I get to drag this and expose the red side, all right, keep your eye on the winning chances and then the multiplier. You will notice right that the number gets to increase. So the multiplier get increased, the winning chances get smaller. All right, and you can see right over here that once the winning chances get smaller, that means it's a high risk for you to basically like play the game right here. In as much as you're making free Toncoin from here, you don't have to risk everything. All right, and that is why I normally put it and close it all. So my winning chances is very, very high. My multiplier is very, very small. You can open it a little bit, but all depends on your mindset. This is how I make more money, and this is how I was able to like secure over 1.6 Toncoin from here, 100% free. And so far I've not actually been able to make any withdrawal from here as well. I have not been able to like place any withdrawal from here. So you can see right here that there has not been any transaction. I've been using this platform 100% free. That is why I'm making this video right now. All right, other ways I make money is from the surveys. You can participate on surveys, but you have to use a VPN, which is going to help you to kind of like change your address so that you can get access to the surveys. These are money you can make from most of the surveys, right? For 12 minutes, 90 minutes, you can see for 2 minutes. It depends, all right? So all these are going to be coming in every day, and mind you, you are not expected to like bag a huge amount of money from here at once, but with time, all right, if you continue doing this, you will make something from it. That is something that I can guarantee you. As long as you continue doing this every single day, you are going to benefit from it. So it has actually been working well for me, and so far I decided to share this whole info with everybody. Now, if you're watching this video to this particular extent, please make sure to drop a comment down below. At least type Toncoin in the comment section. All right, I have my reasons for telling you to type Toncoin in the comment section. Now the next thing I want to share with you guys is the withdrawal process. It's going to be very simple, and I want to share with you guys every single thing. So I'm going to head over straight to my account. All right, so this is just my Bybit account, but I will not be using my Bybit account. I'll be using Toinkeeper. The reason why I'm using this is because I kind of like want to stack up Toncoins in my Tonkeeper. I won't want to convert. I just want to leave it in my Tonkeeper, just leave it right over here. So I will not want to like convert it or do any other thing. All right, I basically have two wallets right here, so I'm just going to like select within one. I'll just use this one. I'll click on the receive address, then copy the wallet address. So once I copy my wallet address, I will head over straight to the platform, and what I'm going to do right now is to paste down the wallet address right here, hit on the max. All right, so there's going to be a little bit of charge fee from my account, so let me check. Is there any tag? There is no tag attached to this, so I basically will receive this payment straight up. So next thing is to click on to verify, and once we have our successful verification, then we proceed to withdraw. All right, now keep your eye, and you can see right now withdrawal has been sent. So the withdrawer will be sending an email to me, and I will have to go over and confirm that email before I will receive the payment. So quickly, let me head over straight to my Gmail and go and confirm it. So over to my Gmail, right over here, you can see this is the email right here, and this is the wallet address to confirm every single thing. So I just hit on the confirm, then click on the browser that I'm currently using, and you can see that withdrawal has been sent out successfully. All right, so this is just like the simple process you can apply to your own account if you want to make money with this kind of project. I've been able to like make my first withdrawal from here so far. So you scroll down a little bit, you can see right now this is a total amount of over $5.95, and it is showing pending right here. All right, so it is currently showing pending, and once this pending completes, I'm going to share with you guys a proof of my withdrawal live in my account. Just keep it in mind that I currently do not have anything in this wallet. All right, so there's nothing in this wallet, but once it comes in, I'll share with you guys every single thing, and I want you all to have a clear view of every single thing, that this is 100% a legit website that I currently use to make money for myself. There is nothing that I basically do aside this. I just use this website to make money. Now, if by any chance you want to get more of this kind of update, all you have to do for me is just to make sure to hit the bell icon, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also share this video out at least to 2 people that are basically interested in making free money online. This is 100% free money, and I want to stack it up right here because I'll be using it to do giveaways. If you watch this video to this very extent, at the end of this video, I'll be dropping a giveaway code. All you have to do is just to comment that giveaway code along with your Toncoin, and you'll be able to win a giveaway. Now, for you to be able to watch my content to this extent, that means you are a loyal viewer, and I really appreciate all the support. So what I'll do right now is just to wait for the payment to be confirmed and then sent to my wallet, and then I'll head back to share with you guys the proof of it.
So finally, we have been able to confirm our withdrawal. You can see right now, this is my first withdrawal from here. It has actually been completed, 5.95 USDT. Now let's go to our Tonkeeper, and over to our Tonkeeper right over here. All right, so you can see right here, we're just receiving 1.66 ton into our wallet address right here. We check on the wallet, you're going to notice right here is about $5.78, which we basically have. So I'm just going to be stacking this up right here from this project. I just basically use it to do giveaways for my loyal viewers. And if you basically want to get access to like join this kind of update, make sure to subscribe. Right, click on that subscribe button. Now, like I told you guys before, I'm going to type a giveaway code on the screen. So if you basically type this with your Ton, just type it like this, Toncoin. That means you watch the video to the very last ending. All right, so that is basically all, and make sure to share this update with your friends, and also stay tuned for more updates like this. I wish you guys all the best. Those that really view my content, just make sure to follow me on Telegram. Go to my Telegram channel, links are going to be provided. Go and join the family right over there. And if you want to actually earn more money, or you want to actually join our giveaways, click on this link to register Bybit under me. You can watch this video to learn how to transfer your registration and become a member under me, so that you don't miss out on our giveaways, because all our giveaways are done to members that are registered under me on Bybit. Stay tuned for more updates like this, and I wish you guys all the best. Peace out.